Hello, I'm in a 2010 Land Rover LR2, and today I'm going to show you to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, we'll look up here in this button. We'll let you fold these forward. And the same process for this side seat. And as you can see, that button releases a latch in here that hooks onto this. And when you're ready to fold it back up, first I would probably pull the seat belt up just to make sure it doesn't get trapped. And then we'll push this back to lock it in place. And now the seat belt's free and this is back connected. For the center here, you just pull it down. And then when you're finished, just push it right back up. And for the front seat, as long as you've got power to your vehicle, you push this to slide the whole seat forward. Push this to slide it back. This will make this part go forward or backwards. And then if you want to raise the seat up or down, you just push the whole thing up or down. Then the passenger side. Same buttons. So this controls the rear up and down, and then again forward or back and up and down. But that's it. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.